So the casters you can see here are from Axminster in the UK, and I'll leave a link for them in the description below. So having a bench on wheels is enormously helpful. The bench itself is quite heavy, especially now I've got it full of tools. The ability to wheel it out during the summer whilst I was installing the insulation was a huge advantage. Anyway, I hope you can see how simple they are to install. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. But from the workshop, for now, cheerio.